Thane is emerging as a hub for finance professionals where ambitions meets the real opportunities. If you are a BCom, BBA graduate in Thane or the surrounding areas and you are wondering what separates the finance professionals who get hired at MNC global banks and Fortune 500 companies from everyone else, the answer is usually one thing: a globally recognized certification, ACCA, CMA, CFA, CPA, FRM. And if you have been searching for ACCA classes in Thane, CFA coaching class in Thane, or the best CMA course in Thane, this is where your journey begins. This is Imarticus Learning, Thane, India's first and only authorized prep provider for the 5 global accounting and finance certification, all delivered in collaboration with KPMG in India. Let's go inside. These credentials are a testimony to the quality of training we provide. ACCA Gold Status Learning Partner, IMA Gold Status for CMA, CFA Institute provided prep provider. These are the highest recognition awarded by the certifying bodies themselves, and Imarticus holds all of them. 5 global certifications: ACCA, CMA, CFA, CPA, FRM, 1 in Center, Thane, all in collaboration with KPMG in India. 5 program, 5 different career paths, and this is where you figure out which one is meant for you. The ACCA, 180 countries, Big 4 approved, 100% job guarantee and Imarticus Gold status. Preparation, the highest tier recognized by ACCA globally. The CMA, Corporate Finance, recognized in 150 countries, 58% average salary hike. Post-certification, Imarticus holds the IMA Gold status. The CFA Investment Banking and Portfolio Management, India's 3rd largest CFA exam market, growing at 30% annually chartered holder salaries, averaging at 44 lakh prepared using Kaplan switchers. The CPA, the gold standard of US accounting, FRM, the world leading risk management certification from GARP. All 5 in 1 collaboration with KPMG in India. And here is something the most institute won't tell you: global certifications are hard. Some students don't pass out on the first attempt. At Imarticus, that's not where your journey ends. We don't leave, we stay with you, and additional coaching, support and preparation until you get there. Pass, guarantee or money back. That's our commitment. This room is where we help you figure out which one is yours. Between classes, this is where the real work happens. Our focus study room is designed for exactly the kind of deep preparation that global certification demand. Whether you're working through an ACCA applied skills paper, pushing through the CFA level 1 or finishing the CMA part 2, quite structured, building for the focus that global exams demand. This is what an Imarticus class looks like in session. Industry faculty, real-world case studies evaluated by KPMG and Indian practitioners, preparation built around actual exam standards, not just textbook theories. At this center, our students have consistently achieved pass rate well above the global average, with graduates going on the work at EY, PwC, Deloitte, JP Morgan, Citibank, Morgan Stanley, Barclays and BNP Paribas. And for those who can't make it always in, every program at this center runs as live online learning too. Same Imarticus faculty, same KPMG in Indian collaboration, same pass rate. Working profession in Thane, student from wider MMR belt, someone who needs the flexibility without compromising the quality, this is built for you. These walls tell the real story. Our pass rate: CPA 92%, ACCA 72%, CFA 57%, CMA 51%. Every single one above the global average consistently across every batches and every exam window. Our alumni work at Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, EY, PwC, Deloitte, HSBC, Deutsche Bank, Citibank, BNP Paribas and hundreds more. more than 50,000 finance placement in Fortune 500 companies, and every one of them started right with Emarticus Learning. Mumbai's booming industrial and commercial sector in recruiting finance professionals right now. The ones getting hired carry global certifications. 3 global certifications: ACCA, CMA and CFA, with in-classroom and live learning, online training. 2 more: CPA and FRM, available as live online programs with the same Emarticus faculty, same KPMG in India, collaboration and the same commitment to result. If you're looking for ACCA classes in Thane, CFA coaching in Thane, or the best CMA courses in Thane, your search ends over here. This is Emarticus Learning Thane. Your global finance career starts here.